Okay guys, as seen previous, that's the base. So I've wiped all the chalk off, got that all ready. We'll move that out of the way. Now I'll show you how I think this should be. It's probably not, but we'll give it a go. Okay, where's my tape measures? Alright. Okay, we'll mark it up. So we're going to mark it here. Mark it along that line. And we're going to give ourselves that extra little piece to fold over to stitch up. It's 15 centimeters, and the same the other end. This is how I'm envisaging doing it, because I don't really have any other ways. Through there, so that's fine. Okay, now cut that off to its desired length. Hopefully you guys can see what I was on about with it now, because what's going to happen now is when that gets stapled to this piece, and that goes round the corner, that gets stapled to the other piece, then we've got that going round there, so it ends up being that, hopefully. So we've got that one, that's the zip side. Let's move it out of the way for a minute. Now we'll get the other pieces, see what we can do here. Okay, what pieces have we got? What pieces have we got? Sorry guys, a little bit caught up there. Okay, here we go. So that's no good to me, it's not long enough. There. Alright, and these bits are not going to be long enough. So, we've got this piece here. Oh, that's just not quite long enough, that piece, because we've got to have overlap. So what we'll do is we'll cut two pieces for there. Let's cut him nice and straight to begin with, first and foremost. And mark 15. Again, mark 15, down there. So we'll cut those two pieces, or one piece, sorry, and measure the other one up and cut that one. So we got them both done there. Hopefully we get two pieces out of that. Probably not. We'll see. Okay, what we got here? Yep, that's good. We'll put that piece on top there, and we'll mark that one up, and we'll mark them up there. The 1.5 or 1.5 centimeters, and we go there and there, and we've got one long piece to do now, which I thought I had some cut out, guys, but I did, but it obviously wasn't long enough. Got any more? What's this piece here? Is this long enough? Let's have a look. It's the same length and it's not, so okay, that's not a piece there, guys. So we'll get a piece to get the old leather out and get a piece. These two are together like this. We need that one piece because it's got to go into these two. Let's move these out of the way, otherwise we're going to get more confused with all the pieces. There's two pieces, long piece. Now we want one more long piece off the roll, same length as this one. I might have a piece somewhere else. Hold on a sec, guys. Sorry, I'll be back. No. Okay, sorry guys. Let's get the roll out. As I say, you see it as I do it. We'll have it this way because we're only having a strip. So we're having a strip as long as that. So we mark that out. There's no holes on that because the markings are on the inside of that in a minute. That I'll do in a second. Right, so the width is the same width. I never measured that, did I, guys? Sorry. Yeah, because they're the same width and that's the same width. That worked out pretty good in the end. There we go there. And we go on that one, we go there. Okay, mark it up. It's already marked there, so if I put a line across there, that'll give me another line to go across there, it should. Yeah, it's not perfect, is it? So we got there. So what have we got on that? 83. 83. 83. 83. Mark him off. Cut that one out. Sorry. Whew. Sorry guys. The observant there would have known that I haven't put the extra 30mm on the top to allow for the sewing. There and there. I nearly forgot. Nearly. Okay. Cut that out. I'll show you that again. That only folds to there because you've got it at the other end. So we mark it up this end, which gives us that one at 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Let me double check on that, guys. I know I've got it right. I'm just second guessing myself. Okay, sorry if my back's to you while I'm cutting this out. Don't want to move the roll all the way around. The table's not wide enough for it to go around the other way. So we cut it out as we go along. And there we go. Right, so what we've got now is all the elements for it. Let me roll that up, put it out of the way. Sorry guys. Put that back in its little plastic bag. Keep it nice and clean. There we go. That's all nice and clean. So what we've got now is we've got the 4 elements, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll sew those 4 together first on the lines that I've drawn out. So these get clipped together here like so. I'm only going to put 2 staples in there just to hold it in place. With a couple in there just to hold it. Same this end. Just to hold it. That's that one. Turn him over. Same this side. Sew him up. In a second. Staple this up. Now then, I hope so far this has learned a little bit for you. It's learned a lot for me at the moment. A few mistakes made there. I think things are coming together quite nice. Don't know what you guys are thinking. Oh, please comment me below. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's alright. What we'll do is, this video is plenty long enough now, so what we'll do is we'll cut it on this one and we'll go to number 2. So that's the first part of this bench seat. And next part is, so what I'm going to do now, before I come off, I'm going to put a line across here, 1.5, 15 centimeters, and that'll be ready to put onto this one, and then we'll continue on with that. I've got to do the same with this one, top bottom, so then when we sew it together, hopefully everything goes all right. As I say, guys, let me just do that before we sign off. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Those who are just watching for the first time, what you're looking at is somebody learning as they go along. Don't know anything at all about sewing. Seen a lot on YouTube, thought, right, I can do this to my Land Rover. Hopefully you guys can do the same. Same as me. We'll learn as we go along. Just give it a bit of a line through there. I'll continue that all around there. I'll continue it all around there. And I'll see you guys on part 2. Thanks very much.